In this video, we'll be talking about how to clean eyelashes using products that you already have in your house. So to start off with, these are the eyelashes. So as you can see, they have glue, it's very hard, and makeup, and a little bit of glitter. These are lashes by Pechè, La La lashes. So this one has a bit more glue and glitter than this one. So there you go. You will also need a bowl. And in that bowl, you will need to put some warm water. So if you boil the kettle and leave it for about 5-10 minutes and then pour it inside a bowl. So that's what we're going to do now. So bowl is ready, and all you have to do is add some washing up liquid. Any brand is okay, it will do the job. Okay. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the lashes in here and let them soak for about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's already working. You can see that some of the glitter is coming off with the warm water, and it will just make the glue that was used to apply the eyelashes a bit softer for me to just gently pull away. So I'm gonna let that sit. So I have waited about 10 minutes and this is the outcome of the lashes. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm gonna just push that to the side. And I'm just gonna gently start pulling away the glue. See that? Just gently, gently. Sometimes people use tweezers. I personally don't, because that could actually pull the lash off, and that's not what you want to do. You still want to maintain the amount of lashes that are on here. So just gently pull in. See, that bit's nearly done. Gently, gently. Ooh. Okay. That so I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna pull out the next one. Gonna start the process again. That was a big one. Okay, still a bit more. Just makes you think how much glue we use to